Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to show content in your location on X, previously known as Twitter, right from your PC. If you've noticed that your feed isn't showing local posts or trends, this new update makes it easier than ever to customize what you see. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your PC. Once you're on the main home screen, look to the left side of the page where the main menu sits. Scroll down a bit and click on More. This will open up an extra list of options that leads you deeper into your account settings. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This area is where you can manage everything about your experience on X, from security and notifications to how your feed looks and feels. After you're in Settings and Privacy, choose Privacy and Safety. This section controls what information you share, who can see your posts, and how much of your online world influences the content you view. Now, click on Content You See. This is where things get interesting. The platform recently updated the way content preferences work, and it's now simpler to fine-tune them. Inside this section, you'll find Explore Settings. Click to open it. Here's the key step. Look for the option labeled Show Content in this location. Check that box, and you've done it. With this option turned on, X will start showing you more tweets, posts, and trending topics based on your actual geographic area. This setting helps you stay informed about what's happening around you, whether it's local news, events, or even trending memes that everyone nearby is talking about. It's a great way to make your timeline more personal and relevant. When you're finished, you can simply close the Settings tab and head back to your main timeline. You'll begin to see your feed reflect your location right away, refreshing your experience with more meaningful and local content. So that's how you can quickly enable the Show Content in this location feature on X using your PC. Give it a try and explore what's trending near you today.